Hello, little learners. Welcome to your online video lessons of English. This is Dishita ma'am, and today we will be learning something new. But before that, I would like to share one story with you. It's a story of Ria and Meena. Meena says, "Hi Ria, aren't we going to visit your grandma at her new house? I'm so excited," Meena said. Ria says, "Yes, I love visiting grandma on holidays. Mom had written down the instructions to reach there to be sure that we don't lose our way." Yes, इसमें रिया बोलती है कि I love visiting grandma on holidays. Mom had written down the instructions to reach there to be sure that we don't loosen our way. So, let us go through it quickly. Okay, let me read it out for you all. So, here it is. So, let us look at the sentences which Ria reads. Grandma lives in Olive Brook. The village lies on the bank of the river Olive. Take the lane behind our house. Follow it till you reach the river Olive, which flow under a bridge. After crossing the bridge, go straight through the road which leads to a park. Take a left turn from the park and stop. The first house to your right is Grandma's cottage. It has a red chimney on the roof. Dear little learners, अगर आपने नोटिस किया हो तो मैंने कुछ वर्ड्स को बहुत ही लाउडली और बहुत ही जोर से उसको रीड किए. कौन कौन से वर्ड्स मैंने रीड किए? Grandma lives in Olive Brook. The village lies on the bank of river the Olive. The river Olive. Take the lane behind our house. Follow it till you reach the river which flows under the bridge. Then, after crossing the bridge, go straight through the road which leads to a park. Take a left turn from the park and stop. The first house to your right is Grandma's cottage. It has a red chimney on the roof. Yes, we are going to learn prepositions. Very good. So today we will be learning prepositions. Let's see what are prepositions. So beta, grandma lives in Olive Brook. इसमें in जो है वो preposition है जो लिंक करता है the noun Olive Brook. Then the village lies on the bank of river Olive. Here the preposition is on and it links the noun bank. Take the lane behind our house. Behind is preposition which links the noun house. Follow it till you reach the river Olive which flows under the bridge. Under is preposition here and bridge is noun. So, a preposition is a word which is usually placed before a noun or pronoun to describe its relationship with other words in the sentence. What is preposition? A preposition is a word which is usually placed before a noun or a pronoun to describe its relationship with other words in a sentence. अगर आपने देखा होगा तो preposition हम हमेशा noun या pronoun के पहले लगाते हैं. देखो under, behind, on, in, ये सारे क्या है? noun. और हमने noun के पहले लगाया है preposition. Alright, now let's learn More about preposition. Preposition showing positions. Yes, little learners, preposition को position words भी बोला जाता है, as it shows the position of noun. So, a preposition tells us where a person, thing, or place is located, as in the instruction which Mama had written to show the way, like grandma lives in Olive Brook. Grandma lives in Olive Brook. The village lives on the bank of the river Olive. Here, in and on are preposition, and it shows us where the things, place, or person is located. Alright, and let's see the next one. The preposition also tells us where something happens, or where something or somebody does something. Alright, take the lane behind our house. Take the lane behind our house means हमारे घर के पीछे वाली स्ट्रीट से आपको जाना है. Then follow it till you reach the river Olive, which flows under a bridge. Here, behind and under shows where something happened, or where something or somebody does something. Alright. Do you know, little learners, a preposition can also indicate directions. Preposition हमें directions भी बताते हैं. From where somebody or something is coming, or where somebody or something is going. Like, for example, after crossing the bridge, go straight through the road which leads to a park. Take a left turn from the park and stop. Here, to and from indicates direction, and they are preposition. Now, a preposition can also indicate the relationship of time. Preposition also indicates the relationship of time, as it says, I love visiting grandma during my holiday. During is preposition, and it is indicating the relationship of time. I go for a walk in the morning. In the morning, मैं walk करने कब जाती हूँ? In the morning. So here, in also indicates the relationship of time. Now, let us see the position of the placement of preposition. The preposition is usually placed before a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. Alright, a placement of position word is usually placed before a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. The first house to your right is grandma's cottage. Here, you is pronoun and to is preposition. Then the next example for you is, it has a red chimney on the roof. The roof is noun and on is preposition, or we can say position word. So, a preposition is usually placed before a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. So, अब आपको पता चल गया कि आपको preposition कहाँ लगाना है? Before a noun or a pronoun. Very good, little learners. Now it's time to open your textbook and let's get started with textbook learning. Please come to page number 78, chapter number 20. We are going to learn position words. They are also known as preposition. They are also known as preposition. We can write it down in the bracket that they are also known as preposition. Let us write it down over here. Make a bracket and write it down. Preposition. Preposition. Preposition and position words both are the same. Now, little learners, we had already learned prepositions and position words in our chapter number 7 of textual textbook. सेलिब्रेशन में हमने पढ़ा था preposition. हमने देखा था वो पिलो वाली पिक्चर थी. The pillow is behind the cupboard, behind the pot, above the table. है ना? Yes, exactly. Now here we will be learning the position words or preposition in details. So let us read the sentences. Come on, read it out. The cat is sleeping on the mat. The cat is sleeping on the mat. The ball is lying near the cat. See, the ball is lying near the cat and the cat is sleeping on the mat. Then the puppy is sitting in the basket. The puppy is sitting in the basket. Here, in is what? Position word. And here, on is what? Position word. And here, near is position word. Please underline it with me. Now, look here. The frog is jumping into the pool. Please underline into as it is a preposition. Now, let's see the next one. Sam is standing between Anne and Sue. Between is preposition as it is showing the place where Sam is standing. Please underline between. And then the girl is hiding under the table. The girl is hiding under the table. So under is what? Position word as it is showing the position of girl. That the girl is hiding under the table. Then the sheep are jumping over the fence. The sheep are jumping over the fence. Okay, so over is position word. Then he is sweeping up. He is swinging up. Swinging, वो कैसे झूला झूल रहे हैं? Up way. And she is swinging down. See here, she is swinging down. Wow. Then the kids are behind the door. The kids are behind the door. So behind is what? Position words. ये किसकी position बता रहा है हमें? Kids की. So, और ये किसके पहले लगा है? Door के पहले. तो door is what? Noun. Very good. The butterfly is above the flower. Here above is also position words. The words in green tells us the position of something or someone. They also tells us where something or someone is moving. These words are called position words. Understood, little learners? Now, please come to the next page. Page number 79. In page number 79, we will be doing the exercise portion for our better understanding. Please come to question number 1. In question number 1, the instructions are like this. Write where is the owl. Write the correct position word below each of this image. Use the words given below. See, they had given us few of the words like in, then, behind, on, above, under. So what we have to do is we have to write it down where the owl is. हमें owl की position बतानी है. तो चलो, let us try to do it. The first one, the owl is in the house. So write it down, in. Then come to the second one. The owl is on the house. Very good. Write it down, on. Then above the books. Very good. The owl is above the books. Write it down, above, above. Come to the next one. Behind the pot. Very good. Write it down. Behind. B-E-H-I-N-D. Behind the pot. Then under the brick. Very good. Or under the box. Then between the boxes. Done, little learners? Come to the next question. Look at the picture. Fill in the blanks with the position words given below. देखो, हमें एक पिक्चर दे दिया गया है और नीचे सेंटेंसेस के साथ एक हेल्प बॉक्स दिया है जिसमें पोजीशन वर्ड्स लिखे हुए हैं. Now what is our task is we have to make the correct judgment and we have to put the correct position word in the blank here as per the sentences. Okay, तो चलो देखते हैं. The dog is dash the kennel. Dog is dash the kennel. तो dog कहाँ पे है? Kennel के अंदर है. तो we will write the dog is in the kennel. Write it down. In the kennel. The bird is dash the roof. देखो तो bird कहाँ पे है? On. Very good. Write it down. On the roof. Then the butterfly. The butterflies are flying over the pond. देखो pond के ऊपर उड़ रहे हैं. Over the pond. Then the frog is hiding behind the stone. Very good. Write it down. Behind the stone. The duck hopped into the pond. The duck hopped into the pond. The fish is near the duck. The fish is near the duck. Very good, little learners. Now let us read all the sentences one more time. The dog is in the kennel. The bird is on the roof. The butterflies are flying over the pond. The frog is hiding behind the stone. The duck hopped into the pond. The fish is near the duck. Now turn the page, come to page number 8080. Everyone came to page number 80. सब आ गए page number 80 पे. Now look at the picture of the clouds. Read the words and draw a sun in each picture. One has been done for you. What you have to do is on, near, above, between. ये सब तो आपको पता चल गया. अब आपको इंस्ट्रक्शंस दी गई है लाइक अबव द क्लाउड. तो देखो सन कहाँ पर है? अबव. बिल्कुल इसी तरह आपको इंस्ट्रक्शंस को पढ़ के क्या ड्रॉ करना है? सन ड्रॉ करना है. तो चलो नियर द क्लाउड. आप नियर मीन्स राइट हैंड साइड भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. चलो ड्रॉ कर लीजिए. नियर द क्लाउड. अंडर द क्लाउड. तो आपको अंडर द क्लाउड करना है. सन ड्रॉ. बिटवीन द क्लाउड मीन्स दोनों के बीच में करना है. वेरी गुड लिटिल लर्नर्स. एवरीवन हैज बिकम इंटेलिजेंट एंड क्लेवर. वेरी गुड. एंड ऑल्सो यू हैव टू कलर इट. आपको इसे कलर भी करना है. ऑलराइट. Done, little learners? Take your time, draw it properly, color it nicely. So, everyone is enjoying grammar lessons or not? I hope that you all people are understanding the concept. And if you face any difficulty, you can ask me. I am going to explain it in my online classes. During my online classes, if you have any of the query, you can ask me in the online classes. वीडियो लेक्चर्स में ऐसे कोई डाउट हो जो आपको समझ में ना आए तो यू कैन आस्क मी इन द ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. आई विल बी देयर टू हेल्प यू. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you everyone and have a nice and lovely day.